Marrakesh, Morocco, Sunday, October 13, 2024. Heavy rain accompanied by lightning strikes in Marrakesh caused severe flooding around the city on Sunday, October 13, 2024. From various videos shared on social media, cars were submerged, roads were flooded, and traffic tunnels were completely submerged due to heavy rain.
باقي ما تنزل باقي تنزل فين الناس صاحبي
There were also many four-wheeled and two-wheeled motor vehicles, which were forced to be pushed by local residents because they broke down. The Directorate General of Meteorology had previously announced that this weekend there would be heavy rainstorms accompanied by strong winds, which were expected to occur in several regions of the country.
حمزة هذا هو اسمه داك السرب اللي فم الباب هو اللي ولا الماء تيطلع منه هادشي كله